Hey everybody, we are at the 2025 Milwaukee Media Event.
Yeah, they call it Pipeline. There's over 100 different products that we're going to get our hands on and show you guys.
Yeah, we're going to show you some stuff. Hey everybody, I'm here at Milwaukee Media Event and I'm here with Andrew and we're looking at a pipe cutter, right?
Yep.
Andrew, please, first of all, thanks for having us here, but please walk us through this. This is pretty interesting.
Absolutely. This is our new M18 FUEL 1/2 to 1 inch steel pipe cutter. And the great thing about this tool is that it eliminates a lot of the frustrations that currently exist with cutting steel pipe today. Let me show you what that looks like.
You're going to do this one-handed, aren't you?
Absolutely.
That's interesting.
So I'll use my second hand to hold the pipe,
Yep.
but no fixturing is needed. So you're going to be able to square your pipe up and let it rip.
Andrew, is that a blade or is it a grinder disc or something in there?
Absolutely.
What's in there?
Yep, so that is a proprietary carbide blade that's designed specifically for this tool to cut.
Saw teeth? Has like saw teeth?
Yep,
Yeah.
I can show it to you right now.
Yeah, I'd love to see it. Oh yeah, yeah, okay.
Yep, so it's got carbide teeth on it that are designed specifically for cutting steel pipe.
And are you collecting cutoff in there?
No, it doesn't, there's no collection.
There's no magnet or anything like that, it just drops it, okay.
Yep, but what that blade is able to give you is a square, clean cut.
Very square, yeah.
To minimize the need to deburr or rework your pipe after the fact.
So what's the range of pipes that we can do?
Yeah, so you can do a 1/2 to 1 inch iron pipe size, so that's going to be your carbon steel pipe or your black iron pipe.
It's about 12, 15 pounds maybe?
I don't know the exact weight on it with the battery.
It's not that heavy, it's not bad.
Yeah, and it's optimized for cutting pipe, so it's not a general cutting solution, so really for those overhead and for cutting on the ground, it's going to be the perfect tool.
How many cuts can I get in 1 inch pipe?
On 1 inch pipe, you can make 50 cuts with a 5 amp hour battery, and you'll get 200 cuts on that blade.
5 amp hour battery keeps showing up on me today. Unbelievable. I keep thinking of like a 5 amp hour battery as like a small tool.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, let me show you one more thing.
Sure.
So I showed you what's great about cutting this tool with new pipe, with new installs, but say you need to make a tie-in
in place
and cut in.
Yeah.
That support arm folds away to give you narrower access.
So how did you do that? Just kind of walk me through that again. It's
Absolutely.
Flip. So it's a little flip.
Yeah. So we have a latch here.
Yeah.
Pop it, snaps into place as you fold away. Correct.
Snaps. Very nice.
Yep.
Yep.
And it gives you that access needed in narrow spots.
Can I do that one? Or are you letting us cut that?
This one today,
oh, come on.
But
I'll cut this one.
One last thing, the plunge mechanism on this tool prevents you from overcutting. So if you have parallel lines with other services, you don't have to worry about overcutting and interfering with those lines.
Very nice.
So
when that's plunged all the way, it's only going to plunge through 1 inch just barely.
Correct.
Just enough to get through it.
That's as far as it goes.
Yeah, I'd love to try it.
Yeah.
See how it feels.
Let me set you up here.
Is this too short or can I use it?
I would recommend using longer.
All right.
Just for the video.
Here we go. Put it in. Put my hand right here to hold it.
Yep.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
Awesome.
Thank you so much. What's the cost of this?
Yeah, so this retails for $3.99 bare tool.
Okay, $3.99.
And it is available today, so it's already out for sale.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for having us. I really appreciate it. We've learned a lot. Great technology we're seeing here. Thank you, everybody. Well, that's a wrap. What'd you think?
That was great. It was a lot of red, a lot of fun.
Yeah, innovation, passion. It was a good time.